Hello.
Good afternoon, General.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure
Welcome to
to
Camp
meet you.
Lemonade and to
Thank you
the
very
Combined
much.
Joint Task Force headquarters.
Thank you for having us.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Anything that happens within Ethiopia is inextricably tied to the security, the safety of the rest of the region. When Ethiopia has an internal conflict that may make it decide to withdraw forces from Somalia, now you have 5 African Union countries that are also affected, and Somalia. You have the potential for violent extremist organizations to have greater activity there. We also see enduring conflicts or points of tension. The border conflict between Sudan and Ethiopia, that risks of that turning, or perhaps with the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam with the GERD, that it would change the calculus there. There's a risk that other countries may look at Ethiopia's internal focus as an opportunity to take something, whether it be a military action or stronger political action, when Ethiopia is not credibly able to either continue operations or negotiation.
In the event Addis Ababa falls, what role can this base take? What role can the U.S. military take to deal with the impact of that fall?
So a primary role for our command here is to be able to respond to crisis, and in particular to respond to crises that are associated with U.S. diplomatic missions across Africa, but in particular in East Africa. We have done an incredible amount of planning and preparation to be able to respond, to assist in evacuation, to reinforce an embassy, to do a larger scale evacuation if necessary, both for U.S. personnel, U.S. citizens or dual citizens, or those from other countries. The East African Response Force, the only U.S. crisis response force that is located on the continent of Africa, is part of our command and located here. So we bring capabilities together from each of our joint services and allies and partners to any sort of crisis, and Ethiopia is obviously very concerning for us.